Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Vinny Zapian from SoCal Public Auto Auction in Ontario, and I'm excited to share some great news with you. Starting this week, we will have live online simulcast auctions running concurrently with our live auctions for those who want to bid at home. You can find the link to register at SoCalPAA.com. That's SoCalPAA.com. Here's the process. We'll have preview inspections every Friday starting at 9 to 5, and especially for our seniors who need help, 9 to 10 will be your dedicated hours. So that's 9 to 10, and then the rest of the public will be allowed in from 10 to 5 for inspections on Friday. We'll also have vehicle inspections every Saturday and Sunday, 8 a.m. That's 8 a.m. until bidding begins. Bidding begins at 11 on Saturday, 12 o'clock on Sundays. If you have any questions or any issues with registering online, our office staff is more than happy to help you in person or over the phone. We also have created instructional video on how to register that you can view on our website and social media. Stay safe, everyone. We'll see you all this weekend at SoCal Public Auto Auctions. Take care.